Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Shane. And today we're going to be making a sweet potato and kale hash for breakfast. First we're going to start by dicing up our sweet potatoes. Now somebody asked me where did I go to culinary school at, and just to clarify, I did go to culinary school. It was at the School of Food Network and Pinterest. So I've been studying that for a few years now. The majority of these vegetables, not all, we got from the Lewis Taylor Farm here in Tifton, Georgia. So we're just going to show some fresh produce and what can be done with it. Many of y'all got the $20 boxes that they have been offering for sale. And it's come with quite a few things. Some people may not be used to cooking with those items. So we're just going to give a little demonstration in this dish. We're going to have a mixture of onions and bell pepper, sweet potato. We're going to have some kale, a little chopped ham. This is one of the vegetables that come with it, this beautiful red bell pepper. It's got a little bit of sweetness, some crisp in there. We're going to try and keep everything roughly as even as possible. So we're going to try and make basically about a 1-inch square on all the vegetables that's going to go in it. More or less. It don't have to be exact, it's just whatever. And next we're just going to dice up some ham that we had. You don't have to put it. I'm a meat eater. I like meat with vegetables. So however you want to do. That's a good thing about cooking is you can add and take away whatever you want based on your likes. Everything don't have to be exact science. Just because somebody does something one way don't mean you actually have to do it that way. Of course, we're in the South, so everything's got to start with butter. We'll get it melted on about a medium-high heat. Next, we're going to add our sweet potatoes. We're going to add a little seasoning, just a good little pinch of salt, pinch of pepper going, a little bit of garlic, not a whole lot because you got to kiss your spouse later. This is a combination of nutmeg, cumin, and cinnamon. It goes real good when you're talking with sweet potatoes. Think of your sweet potato pie, sweet potato souffle. But they are strong flavors, so you don't want to overpower the dish. So just a little bit will do you. Get that going. Well, I can smell it already. This is going to be delicious. Next, we're going to want to add our onions and our bell peppers to the mix. Just however much you want. Make it look pretty. And we're going to also add our ham that we chopped up earlier as well. We're going to add a little bit more salt and pepper as we go. Season those vegetables we just put in. Next we're going to add some of our kale in. Get that going, a little sauteing. We're going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon, give it some acidity. Tie all that together. We'll just get this all plated up nice and healthy portion right here and make a mess. That's kind of usual for me. Throw some more of that spinach on there. A little bit more on top. Let's get this cleaned up. Add a little sunny side egg. Finish it with some fresh cracked salt and pepper. We're going to garnish with some of these green onions. Alright, let's see how this is today. We're going to cut in this yolk. It's going to fill out through the plate, add some richness to it. Oh, look at that. Looks good. Smells good. Get some of these greens, some of these potatoes. This is delicious. Wow. It's really good. Really, really good. You want a bite?